How to resolve Spotify app not playing music. Firstly, restart the Spotify app. In your background apps, remove the Spotify app. This way, the Spotify app will get refreshed. After you have done this, then try opening the app again. It fixes temporary playback freezes. Also, make sure that your network connection is smooth and strong. Go to your Wi-Fi and see if the network is lagging or not. If your current network is not working, then try switching networks. Now open Spotify app on your device. After opening, at the top left corner, you will see your profile picture. Click on it and select the option Settings and Privacy. Here you should see the option Playback. Click on it. Inside Playback, find the option Offline Mode. If it's not available, then it's totally fine. But if it's available, then click on it and turn it off. You can also try checking the server status of Spotify in the web. It is very rare but possible. Search Spotify server status or check on Down Detector. After all of this has been done, then restart your device. Once your device has been restarted, navigate to the Spotify app and tap and hold on it. Click on the eye icon to go to App Info. Scroll down and select Storage and click on Clear Cache at the bottom right corner to clear any of the cache. That's all for today. Thank you.